In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Klarna app on your iPhone. Whether you want to use Klarna to make shopping more affordable or simply manage your payments with ease, you'll find this guide straightforward and easy to follow. Now, let's dive right into it and get you all set up with the Klarna app. First, you need to head over to Klarna's official website. You can do this by opening up Safari or any web browser you prefer on your iPhone and entering the address www.klarna.com/us. This will bring you directly to Klarna's homepage. It's a good idea to make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi or have good cellular data, as navigating the website and downloading apps can consume some data. Once you're on the Klarna website, look for the section labeled Discover Klarna. This is usually prominently displayed on their homepage, making it easy to find. By clicking on Discover Klarna, you'll get access to more options and information about their services, so be sure to take a moment to explore if you're interested. After you click on Discover Klarna, there should be another option labeled App. Select this to move forward. You're one step closer to getting the app on your phone. This section will provide you with details about the app's capabilities and how it can enhance your shopping experience. But for now, our main focus is to get the app installed. Next, you'll want to click on Download the app. This link typically directs you to a page with different download options. Now, here's where it gets convenient. Instead of manually searching for the app in the App Store, Klarna provides an option to scan a QR code. Locate the QR code on your screen. Using your iPhone camera, simply hover over the QR code. Your phone will recognize it and provide a link to download the app directly from the App Store. This method helps to ensure that you download the correct app, minimizing the risk of mistakenly downloading a fake version. Once you've scanned the QR code, you should be redirected to the Apple App Store. Here, you'll see the Klarna apps page. Look for a button that says Get the App and tap on it. If prompted, authenticate the download using Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password. After a few moments, the Klarna app will begin downloading and installing on your device. Once the download is complete, you'll find the app icon on your home screen. Now, you're all set to open it up and start using Klarna to manage your purchases and enjoy flexible payment options. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide made the process simple and stress-free. If you have any more tech-related queries or need further assistance with the Klarna app, feel free to explore more of our videos. Until next time, happy shopping and enjoy the convenience of the Klarna app.